So I'm gonna teach you how to make a mask because they are short in supply. You can't find them anywhere. You can't find them in Walmart. You can't find them at CVS. Nothing because this whole pandemic. So instead of ordering online, which takes forever, I'm gonna show you how to make them yourself. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy, and it's cheap. And they look really good. They go over your face just like this, and they're perfect. So all you need is some cloth or a bandana, and you need two cute little bow ties that your kids have, and that's it. So first of all, you take the simple piece of cloth and you fold it just like this. You take the two hair ties and you put them around like so. Just like that. Then you take the two end pieces and you put them in the middle. Just like this. Might take some time because sometimes the fabric doesn't work too well. And you put it just like that. Now, if you use a bandana, it will go in perfectly, but because I'm using a piece of cloth, you're gonna have to stitch this. If you don't know how to sew, you can probably use a sewing machine or get somebody to use a sewing machine. I sewed the inside of this one. You can see where I stitched it. And I also, for this one, to kind of hold it together, I used a little bobby pin, I guess you can say, or a little pin. And I sewed the inside so that it would stay and it would fit perfectly. So you sew the middle. This one's probably not going to stay as well because it's not sewn, but you sew the middle and then you put it to your face just like this. You wrap it around your ears. And there you have it. The perfect mask. And it goes right over your face.